Okay, welcome back. Now we have an attack montage, and we have 4 fnames for those montage section names. We also created a blueprint callable function called playAttackMontage. Now we can call this function from blueprints, but we also want to be able to know which montage section to jump to. So we can also create a function that will return one of these fnames so we know which montage section to jump to. So I'm going to create another function up here in the protected section that's going to return an fname, and this is going to be called getAttackSectionName. Now I'd like this to be a U function, and I'm going to give this the U property specifier blueprint pure. And that's because this doesn't really need an input execution pin as a node in blueprints. It really can just be a function node that returns a result. It just performs a quick calculation and returns the result, and that's going to be the fname. So let's go ahead and create a function body for getAttackSectionName. So I'm going to stick it right here beneath playAttackMontage. Now what I'd like to do is simply create a random number from 1 to 4. So I'm going to make a const int32 called section, and I'm going to initialize this with an fmath function call to randrange. And randrange takes a min and a max and returns a number between min and max inclusive, meaning there's an actual chance you'll get the min number and there's a chance you'll get the max number. I'm going to get a random number between 1 and 4. Now I can use a switch statement, so I'm going to say switch on section. And this way I'll be able to do something different depending on each case. So we need to set up each case. I'm going to have a case 1, a case 2, a case 3, and a case 4. Now this needs to return a fname. So let's go ahead and create an fname called section name. And depending on the case, we'll set section name to a different value. So we have 4 different fnames for our attack montage sections, so we'll just use one of each of these for each case, starting with attack L fast. So for case 1, I'm just going to set section name equal to attack L fast. And for case 2, I'll set section name equal to attack R fast. For section 3, I'll set section name equal to attack L, and for case 4, I'll set section name equal to attack R. And looks like I forgot a semicolon here. Now switch statements have the peculiar property that if you hit a certain case, then after you execute the lines of code in that case, then you will execute all the other cases unless you have a break. So we need a break in each of these cases. So I'm going to add a break to each one of them. So now we set section name equal to something for each case. Now, after the selection is made, we simply need to return section name. So down here at the bottom, I'm going to return section name. So we have this function here that will simply return us one of the attack montage sections at random. All right, so let's go ahead and compile this. Now we have 2 blueprint callable functions. We have the function that will allow us to play an attack montage that takes a section name and a play rate. And we also have a blueprint pure function, getAttackSectionName, which will return us a section name at random. So we're now equipped to actually play attack montages. And in the next video, we're going to work on creating a custom task for our behavior tree in which we will play an attack montage. I'll see you in the next video.